Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Portrait Tech, and today we are going to be unboxing this case here. We got it from Casus, which is from Amazon. So I have the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'm gonna go ahead and install this case on there, and we could have a look and see how it looks on the phone. So if you're in the market looking for a case, or if this is a case that you looked at before and you wanted to see how it looks actually in a video before you make your purchase, hopefully this video helps you out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install this on the phone. Let's get the plastic out of the way and see how it looks. But before we do that, let's just take a look around here, see what we have. So it's just a regular cutouts in the back. This feels like a leatherette material here on the back, and we have some on the side, and then the regular TPU material on the rest of the phone. So let's go ahead and install this, see how it looks. Okay, so it looks really nice. Buttons are really clicky and soft. Volume up and down, power button. We have our cutout for our silent switch, and on the side you can see it blend in with the purple right here. Blends in really nice on the top and the bottom portion of the sides here. At the bottom you don't have any of that, you have the regular TPU at the bottom, and from the front you have a little raise on the front here, a little lip to protect your phone if you put it down on the face. So that's how it looks. You have the cutout in the back to expose the Apple logo, and you have a hump that protects your camera hump in the back here. So that's how it looks. So if your phone goes down on the back here, it protects it, and protection for the front as well, which is the main reason why we would have a case on the phone anyways. So that's how it looks from the top, from the side, and we do have the Casus logo here on the left hand side, none on the right, and that's how it looks from the back. So this is a purple case from Casus. Looks really nice on the iPhone. So if you're in the market looking for a case like this, I would definitely recommend this case. It looks kind of different from the regular cases that you see out there, the regular rubber cases or Apple case. Gives it a nice look with the cutout. It's rare you see cases nowadays with cutouts in the back, so it will pretty much separate you from the rest if you have a case like this. And the fake stitching here in the back makes it look a little premium, as you can see, and the stitching is also in purple, so it blends in with the case. Here it goes from the front. That's how it looks, really nice from the top and the back. So this is how it looks from the back, really nice. So if you're in the market looking for a case like this, I'm gonna have the link in the description, so you could go ahead and click the link and make your purchase if you're interested in getting a case like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helps you out if you're in the market looking for a case. Don't forget to subscribe for when I upload, then you could get a notification and you could click to see if I'm unboxing a case that you really like. All right, thank you for watching. Peace.